Ever ordered something online, eagerly awaited its arrival, and then, nothing? Or worse, something arrives damaged, late, or completely wrong. You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at our phones, wondering where our package is, and more importantly, how to get some answers. In today's fast-paced world, online shopping has become the norm. We click, we buy, and we expect our items to arrive promptly and in perfect condition. But what happens when that expectation clashes with reality? What happens when the delivery driver takes a wrong turn, the package gets lost in transit, or the item you ordered is simply not what you expected? That's where customer care comes in. It's the lifeline between you, the consumer, and the company responsible for getting your goods to your doorstep. And when it comes to delivery services, having a reliable customer care number is absolutely essential. Today, we're diving deep into one such company, a company that's become a household name in the delivery space, Rocket. Visuals transition to the Rocket logo and a stylized image of a rocket launching. Now, I know what you're thinking, just give me the number. But hold on, let's take a moment to understand why having accessible and efficient customer care is so crucial, especially for a company like Rocket, which handles a massive volume of deliveries every single day. Imagine this. You've ordered a crucial component for your business, a time-sensitive gift for a loved one, or simply your weekly grocery delivery. You've placed your trust in Rocket to deliver on time. But then, things go awry. The delivery is delayed, the package is marked as delivered but nowhere to be found, or you receive a notification about an unexpected delivery fee. In these moments of frustration, you need a direct line to someone who can help. You need someone who can track your package, resolve delivery issues, and answer your questions. That's where Rocket's customer care comes into play. But before we get to the all-important number, let's talk about what makes effective customer care. It's not just about answering the phone, it's about providing solutions. It's about empathy, efficiency, and a genuine desire to help customers navigate the complexities of modern delivery. A good customer care team should be accessible, easy to reach through multiple channels, including phone, email, and online chat. Knowledgeable, well-trained, and equipped to handle a wide range of customer inquiries. Responsive, quick to answer calls and respond to messages. Empathetic, understanding, and sensitive to customer frustrations. Solution-oriented, focused on resolving issues and providing satisfactory outcomes. Now, with that context in mind, you're probably eager to get to the main point. What is Rocket's customer care number? That's right, that's the number to call if you have any questions or concerns about your Rocket delivery. But remember, a phone number is just one piece of the puzzle. Rocket, like many modern delivery companies, offers a variety of customer care channels. Online chat. Rocket's website and app likely offer a live chat feature, allowing you to get instant help from a customer care agent. This can be particularly useful for quick questions and straightforward issues. Email support. If your issue is more complex or requires detailed documentation, you can reach out to Rocket's customer care team via email. This allows you to provide written details of your problem and receive a comprehensive response. Social media. In today's digital age, many companies, including Rocket, utilize social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook to provide customer support. You can often send direct messages or post publicly to get assistance. FAQ and Help Center. Rocket's website and app should also feature a comprehensive FAQ section and help center. These resources can provide answers to common questions and guide you through troubleshooting steps. App support. Many delivery companies have an app support features that allow you to track, change, or find support for your delivery. It's important to explore these different options to find the one that best suits your needs. For example, if you need immediate assistance, calling the customer care number or using live chat may be the most efficient approach. If your issue is less urgent, you might prefer to send an email or explore the FAQ section. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when contacting Rocket's customer care. Have your tracking number ready. This will allow the customer care agent to quickly access your delivery information. Be prepared to describe your issue clearly, provide as much detail as possible about your problem. Remain calm and polite. Even if you're frustrated, maintaining a respectful tone will help facilitate a positive interaction. Keep a record of your communication. Note the date, time, and name of the agent you spoke with, as well as any reference numbers provided. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of resolving your issue quickly and efficiently. Remember, customer care is a vital part of the delivery experience. It's the bridge between you and the company, ensuring that your packages arrive safely and on time. So, the next time you have a question or concern about your rocket delivery, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer care team. They're there to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.